I still look back in this moment. When you gave me a call, I think you called me when I was in the US.
Yeah.
You called me, you're like, bro, I want you to be the MC in my wedding.
The best, man.
Yo, bro, thank you so much. That meant a lot. It was a pity that I couldn't make it, but just the thought count,
Yeah.
In this book, actually, Art of Progress, which you can get it for 200 if you're looking for, I do talk about the importance of relationships.
Yeah, I saw that.
When I got into business, I always thought back then that it's profits. And when I'm in it, I realized that actually these profits are maintained by people.
Yes, bro.
So now I decided to say my business is gonna run on people before profit. And it's been sustainable. To be honest, it has its own challenges, but it's